When it comes to plumbing your fuel line in your vehicle, safety, longevity, and performance should be at the top of your list. Modern fuels have additives that harden and deteriorate traditional rubber hose, including stainless steel braided hose. This leads to potentially dangerous leaks and weeping. The fuel vapors also deplete fuel and leave unwanted odors in your shop. Once fuel lines are degraded, rubber hose particles can contaminate and obstruct fuel injectors and carburetor passages, hindering performance and causing multiple problems. Earl's Performance Fuel Hose addresses these issues with multi-layer technology designed to withstand the corrosive properties of modern fuel. With 4 new hose options available, let's take a closer look at all the features and benefits of Earl's Performance Fuel Hose. Earl's VaporGuard Fuel Hose provides an economical solution that virtually eliminates fuel permeation issues common with most rubber fuel lines. The technology inside Earl's VaporGuard hose is in its layers. The multi-layer rubber hose is designed to withstand the corrosive properties of modern fuels while eliminating vapors and providing extreme tolerance to heat and ozone contamination. VaporGuard Fuel Hose is available for low-pressure carburetor fuel systems or high-pressure EFI applications. It's important to note that they are available in 5/16 and 3/8 sizes only. They are not intended for use in applications where the hose is submersed in fuel. VaporGuard hose must be used with VaporGuard hose ends and clamps. Using other hose barb style fittings or hose ends may damage the inner liner on the hose. VaporGuard fuel hose ends feature a smooth retention bead that retains the hose under pressure, making them easy to install and use. Simply cut out the hose, push it on, and tighten the clamps. For most economical builds, VaporGuard is the way to go. Next in our line is our SpeedFlex fuel hose. Just like VaporGuard, SpeedFlex hose is designed to withstand the corrosive properties of modern fuels. The carbon-infused PTFE inner liner withstands methanol and alcohol much better than VaporGuard. The tough outer stainless braid protects your SpeedFlex hose and provides additional strength and integrity. SpeedFlex is carbon-lined for safety to eliminate static electricity buildup. With its robust inner liner and stainless steel braid, it is not as flexible as UltraPro or UltraFlex fuel hose. SpeedFlex without the PVC coating can be used in applications where the hose is immersed in fuel. SpeedFlex hose is intended for use with Speed Seal hose ends only. SpeedFlex is a little more difficult to cut and assemble than VaporGuard. When you need performance, Earl's UltraPro fuel hose gets the nod. The UltraPro series was engineered to exceed the rigorous demands of racing. Designed to withstand today's modern fuels, it thrives in harsh environments that include vibration. The PTFE double helix inner hose liner offers extreme flexibility, making tough plumbing jobs a snap. The liner is carbon infused for static dissipation and has an ultra-low coefficient of friction for maximum flow. The outer liner is also reinforced with a glass fiber wrap for additional strength and integrity. Nothing has been left to chance with UltraPro hose. UltraPro is also available in a black polyester braid and stainless steel braid. The polyester braid and stainless steel braid are significantly lighter than traditional stainless steel protected rubber hose. UltraPro polyester braided hose is not recommended for applications where the hose is submersed in fuel or subject to road debris. UltraPro fuel hose must be used with UltraPro hose ends. Save weight and get the flexibility of UltraPro fuel hose for your race car. Twist-on hose ends can be easily assembled at home with common tools. UltraPro is easier to cut and assemble than SpeedFlex, but not quite as easy as VaporGuard. Earl's UltraFlex is the finest and lightest fuel hose available in either a woven Kevlar braid or a high tensile grade 304 stainless steel braid. For increased flow, the PTFE tubing has a smooth internal bore. The convoluted exterior makes for incredible flexibility for making those tight radius turns. The inner PTFE tubing is suitable for use with any fuel and resists temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. UltraFlex Kevlar braided hose is not recommended for applications where the hose is submerged in fuel or subject to road debris. Our Kevlar braid hose is 60% lighter and our stainless braid hose is 40% lighter. When it comes to maximum performance, no other fuel hose comes close to UltraFlex. As with other Earl's fuel hose, it only accepts UltraFlex crimp style hose ends. UltraFlex assembly is more difficult and requires a specialized crimping machine. For maximum weight savings and flexibility, use UltraFlex fuel hose. When plumbing your vehicle, always keep fuel hose away from heat sources, sharp edges, and moving components. Always allow enough slack for powertrain movement. For fuel hose that is subjected to road debris and high temperatures, use stainless steel braided fuel hose or hardline. Make sure to use the clamps to hold the hose in place and prevent abrasion. Clamps also help in dampening vibration to other components. Use proper bulkhead fittings or grommets when the plumbing goes through a panel. Save time and money by choosing the right fuel hose for your vehicle and have that peace of mind knowing it was done right. Thanks for watching. For more information on Earl's Performance Plumbing, visit earls.com.